There is a knowing in the heart that listens without sound, a quiet truth beneath all thought, where deeper laws are found. It holds the many as the one, yet honors every form, a living bridge where spirit rests beyond the need to storm. In the wisdom of the heart, inner knowing learns to see that every life is part of one vast living unity. Through steady light and gentle trust, the inner truth is shown. The heart remembers what it is and knows it is not alone. First comes the learning shaped by mind, the words, the maps, the way, ideas pointing toward the truth that guide the steps we take. Then grows the sight that learns to weigh each pull from either side and walk between opposing forces with balance as its guide. In the wisdom of the heart, inner knowing learns to see that every life is part of one vast living unity. Through steady light and gentle trust, the inner truth is shown. The heart remembers what it is and knows it is not alone. At last a flash of living truth breaks open inner sight. No longer guessed or reasoned through, but known in sudden light. With time these moments gently blend into a constant flame, a wisdom steady, clear and calm that quietly remains. Through heart awakened, life aligns with purpose lived each day. The spiritual guides the earthly form in quiet, steady way. Problems soften, paths grow clear as insight lights the road. The heart becomes the living bridge where higher wisdom